Hi there, how are you? Cleaning and sanitizing in offshore living quarter, including marine vessels, jack-up bars, drilling rigs, and installation. Today's training module will guide you through ensuring hygiene and safety in offshore living environment. Induction and training overview. Today our training objectives and scopes are offshore hygiene challenges, cleaning versus sanitizing, high-risk areas, inspection and compliance. Offshore living quarters have confined spaces. It's more likely confined space, whether you are in marine vessels, jack-up bars, drilling rig, or installation or platform, let's say. Most of the areas are shared facility, so where strict hygiene is required to protect personal health and safety. Cleaning can remove dirt, debris, and it will make maybe area nice, but where sanitizing reduces microorganism to safe level. Both are essential and sequential. High risk area, identify and frequent clean high touch areas like cabins, toilets, handrail, and dining facility to prevent contamination. That means cleaning and sanitization must happen in those high risk areas. Inspection and compliance. Weekly, monthly, quarterly inspection, routine inspection, documentation, and proper record keeping ensure compliance with hygiene standard and safety regulation. Hygiene importance in offshore living quarter. Why is so important? Obviously, you got some picture already in first slide. Let's go to another slide. Hygiene is critical in offshore, of course. Importance of hygiene in offshore. Area is more likely confined environment. Increased disease respiratory risk, of course, making hygiene vital to protect personal health. So hence, hygiene in offshore is very important, very crucial. Not only the people who clean, but people who live, they should have in-house good rule or in-house good practices to make sure area is hygienic for everyone and good place to live for everyone. Health protection and disease prevention. Proper cleaning reduces exposure to harmful microbes, preventing illnesses that disrupt operation and endanger safety. Food safety and crew comfort. Maintaining cleanliness in galleys and accommodation boost food safety, crew morale, and overall well-being in offshore. Thus, regular and contractual responsibility is paramount. Offshore hygiene standard comply with policies, especially health, industrial hygiene policies, and guidelines, ensuring audit success and protecting reputation and continuation of business. Area covered in living quarters cleaning. Living quarter area cabins and sleeping area, corridors and stairways, toilet and washroom, of course, additional common area that can be laundry, galley, dining, offices, gym, and recreation room have specific cleaning need to maintain overall hygiene standard. The corridors, cabins, and toilet, washroom, additional common area according to your facility. Cleaning and sanitizing principle. What are the principles? Definition of cleaning. Cleaning, as we discussed earlier, it removes dirt, debris using water, detergent, and mechanical action like scrubbing, using scrubbing sponge and etc. Definition of sanitizing is sanitizing reduces microorganism to safe level using chemical disinfectant after surfaces are properly cleaned. So both are essential. Importance of correct order. Cleaning must precede sanitizing to prevent pathogens from being shielded by dirt and ensure effective disinfection. So after cleaning, we have to do sanitization to make sure all the pathogens are been kept in safe level. Application in offshore environment, proper cleaning and sanitizing of high-touch surfaces reduces health risk and support compliance in offshore living quarter. Equipment PPE and safe work practices is very important. Require equipment personal protective equipment. Essential cleaning equipment are cleaning tools include mop, buckets, brushes, spray bottle, and waste container, often color coded for hygiene control. Personal protective equipment PPE includes gloves, safety glasses, apron, and slip resistance footwear to protect against chemical and physical hazard. Safe work practices. Inspect equipment, label chemical properly, avoid mixing chemical, and ensure adequate ventilation during cleaning. So all the cleaning vapors should not hurt you, will not hurt you if you are with good PP and following all above. Proper PP removal and hygiene. Remove PPE after cleaning, dispose or clean it properly before you use or next use, and wash hand thoroughly to maintain safety. Cleaning process, inspection and conclusion. A standard cleaning process and key takeaway. Preparation and waste removal. Begin with reviewing tasks, wearing PPE, isolating hazards, and removing waste to ensure a clean area. Cleaning sequence and sanitizing. Clean from high to low surfaces and from clean to dirt area before applying sanitizer on high touch surfaces. Inspection and documentation. Inspect cleaned area for competencies of cleaning, of course, record issues and maintain documentation to ensure compliance. Key hygiene principle, always clean before sanitizing. Of course, before sanitizing, you should clean, not after sanitizing, you are cleaning. Sanitizing should go post to cleaning. So cleaning following by sanitizing. That is the proper way. Consequently, wear PPE, focus on high touch surfaces and document all steps.